All right, got a 2015 Highlander here. The customer complaint is that when he's driving on the highway, he hears rattling coming from back here. So you can see this is loose and this whole spoiler is loose. I already checked in here and none of these bolts are loose. Like, I mean, there's play here, but you can't tighten these anymore. They're already tight. So I'm gonna take the spoiler off, and I'm assuming that maybe there's some kind of seal that goes underneath this to keep this from rattling. I'm gonna remove it and then we'll see. If not, I'll just install some kind of seal and put it back on. So I'll be right back. All right, I took the side one off. It was just these bolts here, 3 10mm, and I don't think these are supposed to be that loose. So the play that this one had going up and down was that these are just sliding around in there. And I can see that there's a seal. There's a seal that goes right in here. Some weird play there too, but there's a seal that goes right in here and it's not even touching, so I'm guessing that seal is bad, along with maybe something else being broken or loose in there. Once I get it all off, we'll find out. All right, this other side was broken, so depending on how hard these are to find, I might order a new one or I might just plastic weld this back for him. I had to open the whole hat. I unplugged the hose here and then the connectors here, right there in the bottom. You just push these tabs here, 1 2 3 4, and this will pop right out. All right, I don't see anything broken. These are all loose. I'm gonna find a way to glue these down just so they don't move. I'll probably wind up cleaning this off. All these little pieces here of this foam, I'll scrape them off with a little plastic scraper. We'll clean it with some alcohol and get some new one and put it on here and put some back here also, and see if with that foam it'll tighten up, hopefully last a while longer. So I got busy, I forgot to record. Basically what I did is I put some of the silicone on those little metal nuts that were there, that were loose. I put silicone, I let them dry so they wouldn't move anymore. I did the same for these side ones. And as you can see, I put some of this white foam here. And I mean, it's on there tight. These don't move anymore, this one doesn't move. They said a gap here because this thing was broken and I couldn't get it to close up better. I did put a little bit of foam on top here also. You can kind of see there, maybe right there where it hits. Put some foam there and it doesn't rattle no more, so it should be good.